guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and if you're looking for some super soft, squishy throw pillows for your space, then I want to show you this set of 4 throw pillows from ACCENTHOME. So this is a 4-pack of 18 by 18 inch throw pillows, and I have 2 of them already in some pillowcases so you can see that, and then these 2 are just the way that they come. They do come flat packed. They puffed up really nicely after just popping them into the dryer for a few minutes, and you can see that this is the size that they end up. So they have a nice amount of fluff to them, and they're so soft. So comfortable, really nice to cuddle up with, and just perfect throw pillows. So this is the 18 by 18 inch size, but they do come in a ton of different size options. So you have a lot to choose from there, which is really nice. They are hypoallergenic and machine washable, which is great. And I love the soft material, which is really easy to slide the pillows in and out of your pillow covers. And overall, they just make it really easy to decorate your space, liven things up a little bit with some throw pillows. You could use these on your couch, of course. You can throw them on your bed. There's a lot of different options for decorating in your home. I went ahead and put 2 of the pillows inside these 2 pillow covers so you can see what they look like. So they look really great with these pillow covers, and they're super soft and cozy. So I have been super pleased with the product. I think that it's really nice quality. It's a great value to get 4 pillows for a really great price. They're well made. They're exactly what you want in a throw pillow, and that's my point of view.